All right, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Bitcoin and the recent surge that it has gone through. A lot has happened. It was all the way down to 30K, but in July, but since then it has 70% gain, bringing it back up to 50K this week. Currently, it's back down to 46, 40, almost 47K. So, it lost a little momentum, but still, from 30K, pretty high up there. The broader market hovers around $2 trillion. And now the question is it going to get to those all-time highs that people have been talking about for so long? Is it time now? Let's see what's happening in the market to get a clear vision of that, right? So there have been a lot of market moves. The global crypto adoption rose about 881%, which is pretty high in the last 12 months, which adds to a surging interest in the growth of BTC and ETH. So it's gotten a renewed growth. So it went up pretty well, started dropping again, went up, dropped again, and now there's a new surge. And what's causing that? Some of it is optimism, but reports around the world and around crypto payments have been emerged. So Walmart, Amazon, Apple, all have listed crypto jobs, which means what? They are hiring because they're adapting crypto into their payment systems. Also, a lot of athletes are now choosing to get paid in BTC. That's another big thing. Some of them have made a lot of money doing so, double and triple their salary in the past years. So a lot more are now following through on that. Also, Bitcoin mining power recovered 40% from July lows. China ban did make a huge dent in the crypto market, and it was because of the power consumption and everything else. However, the hash rate remains well off May highs. Some miners saw temporary revenue boost because of the decreased competition, because a lot of them were shut down. So the ones that were open were the ones that were making the money. And a lot have decided to relocate. So they relocated to places like Kazakhstan and Texas because of lower energy fees, so they can survive and make more money off of it. Because the China ban was really bad for it. ETH is something that's working towards getting rid of mining and saving on that energy. BlackRock, which is world's largest asset manager, made significant bets on the mining industry. The firm oversees $9 trillion in assets, took roughly 6% stakes in public mining companies. Marathon Digital Holdings, and it got stakes in Riot blockchain. Fidelity did pretty much the same thing in July and bought into those two companies as well. Now, El Salvador, we know they have legalized Bitcoin, the Bitcoin law, which makes the crypto legal tender, taking effect on September 7th. Their president tweeted about official crypto wallet that they have launched called Chivo. It's a slang for the word cool, and whispered a rollout of Bitcoin and a widespread, sorry, not whispered, but a widespread rollout of Bitcoin ATMs. Both of which will make it easier for them to be able to make transactions. And anyone that downloads the wallet will receive $30 of BTC for free through the country. Now, after record-breaking gains this year, a series of negative headlines, mostly from, let's go back there, from regulatory uncertainty and Elon Musk big guy when it comes to tweets on crypto, and his tweets really moved the market. And all of that had sparked fears that there would be another crypto winter, which means, crypto would just keep dying. But it has managed to resurface at the moment. Bitcoin and the crypto markets have proved surprisingly to be adaptable. So what's the difference this time? Bigger and less reactive institutional players may be reducing volatility. So all the big people that are investing in it, they're not buying this little news here and there that, it's going to fall or whatever negativity is going on. They have been ignoring it and still investing. And that's one thing that's keeping it up. Also, crypto global adoption, especially in developing economies, is growing fast. Bitcoin's price has become increasingly resilient to the news cycle and in the truly global market. So maybe no one narrative dictates the prices, right? Just one entity, one person or one company cannot dictate the prices. There's a lot more moving parts going on with this. Overall, I believe, Bitcoin cryptocurrency will keep moving up as it has been, over time. As far as the price moving, it could be big institutions, ballers with a lot of money, common people, tweets by high profile people. Doesn't matter. I believe overall, it will continue to grow. So that's basically what's going on with Bitcoin and what's moving the price, for Bitcoin. And hopefully this video helped. See you guys in the next video.